God told Jonah, go, 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 go. Head to Nineveh, don't say no. No, no. Jonah ran the other way, sailed upon the sea that day. Big waves crashed, whoosh, 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 whoosh. Jonah splashed, splash, splash, splash. God sent a fish so huge and wide, Jonah took a 3-day ride. In the belly dark and deep, Jonah prayed, Lord, hear my plea. God forgave and set him free, spit him out upon the sea. Big waves crashed, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Jonah splash, 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 splash. God sent a fish so huge and wide, Jonah took a 3-day ride. Jonah ran to Nineveh, told them all God's perfect plan. They repented, changed their ways, and thanked the Lord with songs of praise. When God calls you, you don't run away. Listen close and obey today. God is loving, kind, and true. He has big plans just for you. Big fish swam, swish, swish, swish. Jonah prayed, wish, wish, wish. When we listen, trust, and pray, God will lead us all the way.
Hit that subscribe button so that you can hear more Grace videos just like this one.